Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. Today we are doing a really simple, I'm gonna show you guys something really simple, really easy. I'm gonna show you guys how I made my intro. I really like my intro, and I feel like it was like one of the easiest things that I have ever made in my entire life, as far as like a YouTube, like making a YouTube thing. So yeah, which is funny because I was like searching for hours on how to do this, or to make it like how to not make it look choppy. And like once I figured it out, I was like, oh my god, this is literally so easy. So I'm going to show you guys, because I don't really see that many like things about it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. So I'm just going to screen record on my phone. You're just going to go to Google, obviously, and you're just going to type in, what color do we want to do? Let's do like bright colors. So let's do like bright pink. So I'm just gonna type in bright pink, go to images, and now you see like a whole bunch of different pink colors. Whichever one you like better, and then if you see one, I kind of like all of these, so maybe I'll just, so just pick on one, wait, oops. Just pick on one that you want, press down on it, you're gonna do add to photos, and you're I pretty much like all of these, so I'm just gonna do that with all of them. So we are gonna go to our camera roll. Now we have all of these. And then sometimes you get like a background along with it too. So all you're just going to do in your camera roll, while it rolls the photo, is just crop that background out. So yeah, done. And then this one, okay, that's fine, I can't edit it there. I know where I can edit it. So we're going to now go into Inshot. So we're gonna go to video, create new, and we're just gonna go to photo, and we're going to highlight all of these, hit okay. And first things first, we're going to crop this. So we're just gonna zoom. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. So there we go. And this one, I'm gonna take this one as well, canvas. We're gonna zoom that. And there we go. So this kind of has a little bit of texture too, but that's okay. So, okay, you just kind of have to go back to, so it's kind of already in like an order of how it's going from light to dark. So now you just want to put this down to maybe 0.5, maybe. And put everything down to 0.5 seconds. So you can either hold this down, take the arrow down, but I think But you can also go to, you can highlight it and then go to duration, and you can go down to 0.5 seconds, and that's gonna, oops, I think I just did 4 seconds, okay. You can also do that as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just doing this in Inshot, if I didn't say that before. I personally like using Inshot because that's all I know. And that's still a little slow for me, actually. So let's try 3 seconds. Let's go. Three seconds with everything. And it's honestly just trial and error. Okay, so let's try it. Yeah. Perfect. So, that is how you do that. Now, next thing, you can add text, and you can add whatever text you like. So let's just say subscribe. So I like using the text in Inshot because it gives you the option to like animate it if you want to, and it has a whole bunch of different text fonts. Like for instance, hold on. Yeah, so we have that one, that one. So yeah, there's a ton of different. I personally like Bibas. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's what I normally typically use when I use Inshot. So yeah, that's typically what I use for Inshot. So let's just try this and see what happens. Okay, so I made this a little bit too short. There we go. And then I don't like the background. I don't want it to be a box. So we're gonna go back to our text. No, we're gonna go to the color wheel, and there's going to be, we're gonna click the thing that says label, and we're just gonna do it without one. But then we're gonna go to the text and make sure that you can see it. So there we go. I like that. And there we go. Perfect. And now we just add music. So you can use whatever music your heart desires. Preferably, if you're going to use this for a YouTube video, you probably want to use music that is copyright free. If you're using this for anything else, like if you're using it for Instagram, then by all means, use whatever song that you want. But yeah, so let's just find, that's sad. So let's try this. So we're gonna use this, we're gonna download that, use that, we're gonna move this to where it starts. And then we're gonna split that, delete the rest, hit OK, and then pray and see what happens. So that's cool. I think I want something a little different. delete this. Split that, delete that. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna delete this. And then we're just gonna slowly move this over so we can get because for some reason I can't get to the part that I want. So let's try and do it like this. I'm gonna split that, delete this, get this going a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna hit OK. And then I'm actually gonna go back and I'm gonna make this longer. I told you guys, it is all about trial and error. It's literally all about trial and error. Because sometimes with the music, you don't think something's going fast enough, and then when you add music to it, it's going too fast. And yeah, so that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it back to 5 seconds. See that one? Okay, so let's see that now. All right, so we have to go back to subscribe. God, we gotta make that longer. Okay. Still a little too...
Three hours later.
I think it's this first one. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think this color, I think I need to switch colors or switch things around because I think these colors are too similar. So I think that's what it is. Perfect! All right, so yeah, I just needed to switch those two colors around because those other colors were like way too similar right next to each other. So I just thought something was lagging when really it wasn't. So, with that being said, that you would just save and it goes through, and it will go directly to your camera roll, and then from there you can upload it how you normally would to your iMovie or whatever editing software that you use on your laptop, or you can just import it from your camera roll if you're using iMovie on your phone or on your iPad. So now you have a really interesting intro and you don't have to worry about music or a title or the background either. So that's always key, because when I first started making videos, I would use the same thing, but I would always have to combine it all in iMovie all at once, and that was really like annoying. So I'm really glad that I came up with this. I mean, I didn't come up with this, but I'm really glad that I had found this different way. And I think that would be really easy. I think it's really easy to do with different things. Like if you wanted to do patterns, you could do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this really, really quick, simple, easy tutorial. If you guys like these type of tutorials, just comment down below and ask me if I can make more, and I will gladly make them for you. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye guys.